Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create product promotion codes so you can use them for product giveaways and give it to your friends and family so they can buy your product for like 95% off or however much you want it to be discounted. And also a little bit about product giveaways. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so basically what you're going to be doing is go to Amazon Seller Central account and then go to advertising, and then at the bottom you'll see promotions. Click that and then you'll be led to this page. And then what you're going to do from here is don't go here, people. A lot of people go here. You don't need this. You go here to percentage off and then create. Then what you're going to be doing is keep this at 1 and then percentage off. So choose how much you want to discount your product. The rule of thumb is whatever your Amazon product fees is. So let's say it's $5. So make sure the product cost is also $5 so you don't lose money. You just want to break even. So obviously you lose money since you're going to be selling the product for free and not recovering your costs. You could do that if you want, however not a lot of people would find it attractive because it might be like $20 or $10 or however much your product costs. So I'd say at least recover your Amazon fees costs, because Amazon doesn't reduce your cost if you give a discount. So if you, let's say your Amazon fees is $7, make sure you give the same percent off so that the product is also $7, if that makes sense. Hopefully I'm clear about that. So anyways, over here you're gonna come and choose the percent off. So I'm just gonna choose 75% off. And then what you're going to be doing is you're gonna choose the start date and then the end date. Let's just say May 10th. And then internal description, this is just for your use so you remember what this is for. So let's just say product giveaway. And over here you're gonna be choosing your product, so I'm not gonna be choosing it right now. However, you do need to choose it. And then over here you have to put single use and not none, because you don't want people to be sharing the same code. You can run out of inventory really fast if people start sharing their codes with their friends and family, and basically you can lose a lot of money. So make sure it's single use. And then what you're gonna be doing is keep it at exclusive. And then you can also customize the message when at the checkout. When someone enters your code, you can have a custom message like product giveaway active or something like that, but I prefer to leave it alone. So anyways, what you're going to be doing after that is basically clicking review, and then you're going to be submitting. So what you're going to be doing is go to manage promotion and then choose the date range and start range, and then here you'll see your product giveaway code, and then you're going to press view. And then on top you'll see manage claim codes. Go here, and then this is again is for your use. So go here, press giveaway, and then choose the quantity. So if you want to give away 30 products, put 30. If you want to give away 90, put 90. Anyways, then you're gonna create, and now it's ready for download. So you're gonna click download, and you're gonna click this and then that, and here you go. All of these codes are now active, and you can give this away to anyone, and basically the code will work, and you can test it out yourself. Go to checkout, put your product in, and see if it works. So yeah guys, it's that simple. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you found value in this video, and subscribe if you're new. I try to upload more Amazon tips and tricks videos, and let me know if you guys are confused about anything. I'd love to help. And also Shopify dropshipping if you guys want to get into that. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I'm out.
Listen.